Okay, September Groove Part 4. We made it to the grand finale. We're going to go through some ripples. These are going to be a little bit different than the ones we've done in a few of the other songs that have been recently performed. We're going to do a ripple that's lateral. So we're going to move from column 1 to column 4 and from column 4 to column 1. Okay, so if you are odd and you are in column 1, you're going to start the ripple. Okay, and it is on count 1, 2. If you're odd and you're column 2, you go on 3, 4. If you are column 3 and you're odd, you would go on 5, 6. And if you are column 4 and you're odd, you would go on 7 and 8. All right, so that odd ripple is moving from left to right. And it's just a rainbow. So it's just left arm, or right arm, left arm, shake, shake, shake at the hip. If you're even, the ripple is going to start on the right, okay? So if you're in column 4 and you're even, you go on 1, 2, and you're going left, right, shake at the hip. If you're column 3 and you're even, you go on 3, 4. Column 2 even goes on 5, 6, and column 1 even goes on 7, 8. Okay, so at the same time that odd is moving left to right, even is moving right to left. Okay. All right, then we got another part 2 of that. So you're going, here's your first 8 count, and then the second 8 count goes back the way you came. So this will help you if you turn your head and you're watching as the ripple goes. Okay, so if you're watching as the ripple goes, you're gonna know when it's coming to you. So if you're odd and you are column 4, on the second 8 count, you go back on 1, 2. If you're column 3 odd, you go back on 3, 4. Column 2 odd goes 5, 6. Column 1 goes 7 and 8. Even, you're over here, so now you're on the left. So now column 1 even pulls it back on 1, 2. Column 2, 3, 4. Column 3, 5, 6. Column 4, 7, 8. All right, so first 8 count ripple lateral goes left to right if you're odd. Goes right to left if you're even. Second 8 count goes right to left if you're odd. Left to right if you're even. Okay, so you're kind of passing each other. All right. Ripples are awesome. They're super simple movements, but it's a great way to add a little dimension and a little bit of flowy, and to do it super simply. All right, so then we have low V's and all the stuff that we've already done, and we make it to the grand finale. So here's where we did that. In the song, if you listen to the song, there are both songs going at the same time, Let's Groove and September. So we thought we would use the choruses from both of those. So columns 1 and 4, you're gonna go back to that toe tap. Super simple. You're gonna set on 1 and then arms make that T, and you have 2 sets of 8. Columns 2 and 3, you're going to be doing the September chorus, okay? With the party overhead. 2 rounds. No walks forward and no rolls and punches, okay? So super, super simple. I'll go through everything with counts.